Alright, so we have the intro like always. We're gonna wait for a bit. I couldn't imagine if this was a YTP.
Happy summer. Whiny, say hi to the camera.
So they did this in summer then.
There's Whiny.
Well, this was filmed 2 years ago,
I haven't seen you guys in a while. You know, William's, after having like a rough winter and spring, which I've told you about in my through streaming and stuff. You know, William has said to me, you know, he wants me to show more video of
oh my gosh, it looks so weird like that.
good, instead of just showing videos of when he's, quote, misbehaved. So, well, the thing is, unfortunately, that means I haven't had an opportunity to make a video. But that's okay.
Yeah, like I wonder how this video is even gonna go down anyways.
To make a video of him being good. Because Comcast is out. Big power outage and it's affecting us. Which means William...
I literally feel like skipping this, like I'm not even kidding, guys.
So... And yes, that could be a good thing. Because that means he's going to have to find other things to do. And I just started filling up the pool a couple of days ago. It's not filled up very much because, you know, we're on a well. But I thought I could make a video of him swimming. You know, like I do every year. And this will be the day to make a
I
video.
legit want to skip this. Like I don't, like I guess it's just gonna be boring. I'm just gonna like relax. And I guess I'll just wait till everything starts happening.
So this is
Okay, you know
really,
what, like
I'm very excited.
yeah, like my chair's not even a gaming
I can't
chair.
wait to tell him the good news. He's gonna have his video of being a good boy. William!
Okay, so now she's calling William.
William! Come here! Come here, I got good news! Come on!
Okay, I had to lower the volume because like,
Come here, I gotta talk to you!
yeah.
I got good news! Come on! Come on! Oh my gosh! What is it? What? Hey, sweetie, come here! What do you want? Hey! What? Comcast is out. That's I know. So, and you wanted videos of you good. So today, I'm gonna make a video of you swimming.
I swear.
Yes. I don't want to swim. Comcast is out. This is a good day for you to take advantage of doing an alternative.
I swear, like my parents are doing something in the kitchen and like the whole house is like coughing.
Are you kidding me? No, come back! What? I want to go swimming. I'm not going swimming. Yes,
Oh my God, my throat.
This is a good opportunity to go swimming. Come on, where you get it? So obnoxious. I mean, I think he just
Yeah, he's always furious for anything.
Let me try to convince him again.
We're like 3 minutes into this video already and like... How long you open my door, man? Is that necessary?
No. What are you going to do after you not go to the bathroom?
Bro, when Violet...
Wait. What are we going to do?
I don't know, you tell me.
That kid. Zach left his little diary here.
Dude, but honestly, like whenever like Violet like talks really fast, like it sounds like if she's rapping. So she's like Eminem, more like she's like Eminem, but like a girl version of Eminem. Bro, this should be a meme. They should put the rap god with like they should put the rap god and then like that kid put Violette1st like talking fast after it. like that should be a meme right there. Cause like recently, there's ads on this video. Come on, bro. There's ads on this video. You're joking me, bro. Dude, I even forgot to pay the. I forgot to even pay my subscription for YouTube Premium eventually. Damn, it sucks.
Okay, anyways, I have the key. Oh, yes.
That laugh though, bro.
He's gonna sweat. Watch this, you guys just wait. People.
So I was saying that that this should be a meme, that they should put the rap god from Eminem and then like maybe like and then it should cut to the part of Violet talking really fast.
You got to go.
Is he playing GTA 5? Yeah, I pretty much think he was. I haven't played that game in like a while now. I remember in my 2019 days I would always play GTA 5. I would always go to my cousin's house, like play on his PS4, play Grand Theft Auto.
Watch this. Sorry, Xbox.
What is she doing? What the fuck?
Sorry, he's not going swimming. I gotta get downstairs. I'm so excited. We're gonna go swimming. I'll be back.
That was just mean. That was... Bro, that looked evil. So yeah, I guess I was saying that like this should be a meme where like the rap god, like Violette1st rapping like rap god. just like how they did it with like what's his name, Boris Johnson. Yeah. He's so confused. He probably thinks he probably thinks that a ghost did it or something. No, it's a cap. He's gonna yep. I called it. He's gonna flip out.
Oh, what are you doing? What is this?
He's gonna flip the.
Mom, why is my cord like this? Why does it have a lock? A lock? Why does it have a lock on it? Oh. Andy must have put it there. Yeah.
Andy?
Andy put it there.
Why are you blaming it on Andy, bro? Come on.
Andy was at the house. Oh, I don't know that.
Yeah, he's saying it.
I don't know. Maybe that's a sign that you have to go swimming. So you did it. I didn't say that. You did
Does
it.
she have a?
Why did you do this?
Does she have a GoPro on her head? Cause like the audio sounds different though. Like not gonna lie.
Don't worry about it. Don't you hit me with that. Don't you? Watch out. I'm going away from you. Where is
the audio sounds different, so she's probably using. So she probably has like a GoPro or something.
Where is the key? None of your business. None of your business. Where is it? Where is it? Don't worry about it. I have the key in your pocket. No, I don't. Matter of fact, you should have said I play video games. I'm not. Stop. Because you want me to get in the pool. I'm not getting in the pool. I refuse to get in the pool. I gotta go outside and check on something. What are you doing? You don't need to come out with me. Close the door. What are you doing?
Does she have the cord or what?
Get away from me. What are you doing? You're going swimming. Get off of me. Get off of me right now. Get off of me. Get off of me. You're going swimming. What are you doing? I'll tell you what I'm doing.
He's gonna throw it in.
No, give me it. You're going swimming. Ha 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 ha. You're going swimming.
Bruh, I would just yeet myself in the pool.
I'm not getting in. No! You're not going to play games? I don't care. You're going to go swimming. I'm not getting in. You're going swimming.
I would just yeet myself into the pool and just get it eventually. Why did it... Another ad. You love to see it. Okay, man. Okay, we need to... Okay, I need to pay my YouTube premium subscription, whatever it is. Yeah, I need to make sure to pay it. I'm not gonna make reaction videos like this one.
William, just go get the key from the pool. I should go swimming there. You can have all the pocket. William, come on. I gotta find the one that can fit my Xbox. The one that fits your Xbox has a lock on it. We can just unlock it. Why can we find another one? There has to be another one.
Yeah, honestly. Holy moly, that's literally a massive ball of cords eventually. Dude, the video lags and it like the video's like kinda Jesus Christ, calm down, dude.
Why is it so tangled up? When you find a cord you can't find. You might be able to find a cord you want, but you can't get it out. Why is it so messy? Patience. Didn't know cords should be neat. Look at that habit. Wow. That's some old stuff in that basin. Wow. Where is the cord?
There's just 6 minutes left on this video, so.
No, where is it? I don't have an Xbox cord in there. What are you doing? What do you mean a cord?
They're probably just like TV cords.
To power my Xbox, or either that, or give me the key. The key is in the pool. Is there another one? No.
Dude, I would just. Oh my god, come on, bro. Like, I would just
You
need
go
my.
in there and get the key for me. No.
Dude.
I'll pay you $1. No, I want you to go swimming.
$1?
No, for 1 hour. And then.
I swear, like, I hate when people do that.
Yeah, I want you to swim.
Dude, I would just yeet myself into the pool, like. Dude, I would just yeet myself into the pool because if you guys remember when I reacted to the other one where he like throws his TV over Fortnite and then like, oh, don't tell me he's gonna throw it in the pool, please don't tell. If he throws it into the pool, you guys have to like this video and subscribe. All right, you got that? Okay, I guess not then. Is he literally gonna?
No, stop.
Hold on.
That is so stupid. That's my cords.
Okay, I guess I was wrong then.
That's enough. Seriously, that's enough. That's enough. That's what I think of your cords. You gotta put that out. You want to get the key for me? No. I'll put it out if you get the key for me. I'll get the key after we go swimming. Are you gonna get the key? Are you gonna get the key? Get away! That's plastic shovel. Are you an idiot? I'm putting out the fire. Put out the fire. Get me the key.
Dude, just go to the pool. Oh my lord. It's like if I was watching a try not to get mad video. Like I swear, like I'm gonna.
Are you gonna give me the key? No. Give me the key. No. No, put out the fire first. It's not gonna stop. Put out the fire first. I'm not stopping until you get the key. You're gonna put out the fire first. I'm gonna throw this in there if you don't get the key. Put out the fire first. No, walk away from that. Give me the key.
My lord.
No.
Gosh, dude.
Give me the key. No.
So yeah, like you guys like remember when I reacted to like another one of this one, and like he threw his TV over Fortnite. He like threw himself into the pool. Why don't you just do that like how it did it that time?
Give me the key. Do you have another key? No, I don't. You have another key. Put out the door. You have another key. No, I don't. You have another key. It's in the pool. Stop, please stop. This is giving me anxiety. Please.
Same, bro. Same. Oh my lord, dude, look at the box.
No, I'm not putting it out then.
Bro, it's like.
No, no, it's not. No.
Bro, poor box, man. Even the box is like burning to. Even the box is burning to ashes, bro.
Put a prick on it. That's yours to deal with. That's yours to deal with. Smaller, it's your stupid decision. Put it out. That's your stupid decision. Put it out. You just didn't want to give me the key, huh? Now all your precious cords. I don't care about the cords. I just want you to swim. I don't get my bathing suit on. I can't. Stop.
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Oh my goodness, you're crazy. Just like that.
He's a true psychopath.
Into the fresh snow.
Another one. Come on, man.
Put that out. It's
Of course, Bob Ross is in this video. Who misses Bob Ross? Who remembers watching those videos of Bob Ross?
Put out the fire first. Where are you going? 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 What are you doing? You're gonna go stop. No, we put out the fire first. What are you doing? You want the key? Fine. You're gonna go in there and you're closing day. It's right there. Where is the key? It's right there. Where's the key? It's right there. Where? 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 Right there. Right there. Where? It's over here. No, it's over here. Why do you keep? Tell me where it is. It's right here. I'm gonna drag you in. It's right over here. You're gonna break the pool. No, don't do that.
I heard a snap, so he must have like probably broke the.
Ow! Okay, ow!
What the hell did he just do to her?
By the pool. Right there. Right there. Ouch! Come on, really? Where's the key? I gotta go get the fire out. It's right in the pool. Right there. Right there. See it? Right there. Bend down. Bend down. Bend down. Where? Lower. Lower. Bend down.
This guy is blind as hell. This guy needs glasses, just like I do.
Get down now. I'll show you. I'll show you. Where? What? Just down there. Ah! Where? Get down. No. Now you're swimming. Right there. Right there. Come here. Come here. I don't. Big baby. Big baby. Now put out this fire.
Yeah. What about the fire though?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my lord.
This thing out.
Oh my god, this thing is burned to the floor.
Raging Gaming and Williams. We almost had William doing a nice activity. I'm sorry. At least I got him in the pool, everybody. Please. Bye.
Oh my god, that thing is burned to the ground.